A few followers requested a house tour. Come on in. We'll start in the front hall. So we redid this. This was wallpaper and we repainted it orange. And what's cool about this, the black border is just ribbon that we had our wallpaper guy put in. So it kind of just looks like a little box, which is great. Next up is the living room. So it's a nice sized living room, which is great for entertaining. So when we first moved in, it was kind of daunting with all of the bookshelves. So they sat empty for a good amount until we found stuff that we really liked. And it's really cool because each little bookshelf is a little vignette. Most of the stuff comes from a junk store or an antique store. There's a lot of cool ones in St. Louis. My favorite bookshelf is this one right here. And we found these cool, I think they're lead little soldiers. They're pretty heavy and they're hand painted. And so they're set up in formation right here. And then we found this cool print of people running away in their carriages. So I kind of think it's like, oh, the army's coming in and the civilians need to run away. And now we are in the dining room. So this is one of my favorite rooms. It was completely redone when we moved in. So this is wallpaper that we had done, and it's one of my favorite things. So sitting in here for a dinner party is cool. It kind of feels you're in the middle of a forest. And then it leads into the kitchen where a lot of people have seen me film my videos. It's a great kitchen. Everything was here except we did new hardware and a new faucet. For dinner parties, I will put the food here where people can just serve themselves off the buffet. Great thing about this kitchen is it looks out the backyard, which is a pretty view. So it's just nice to, if you're standing at the sink, either doing dishes or just whatever you're doing at the sink, you get to look out at the backyard. Then this leads into the den, which is really cool. We hang out in here with the dogs. This poker table was a housewarming gift from my mom that we found at an antique store in town. Each chair is different, which is really cool. And then what's awesome is you can lift these up and turn them over. And there is a place for your chips, an ashtray, and I guess your cocktail can sit right there.
You used them.
Well, right at our old house, we did have a big housewarming party and people were ripping cigs around this table inside. And it was a good party. This bar was here. We just resurfaced the top and then painted the walls red. And the cigar labels come from my great-grandfather's cigar manufacturer he had a while ago, so they're just cool. There's two entrances to the kitchen that lead back out into the living room. So here's just another view of the living room. As you can tell, our taste is pretty traditional, but I think it works. And this is the room where we hang out the most. So this is the library, and it is a nice cozy room. The green was here. We put grass cloth up, and the bookcases look really cool. This was found at a store in town. It's just a model of a steamboat. So it kind of reminds me of the Mississippi because St. Louis is on the Mississippi, and a lot of steamboats came down the Mississippi. This is one of the best rooms in the house. It's a big screened-in porch that we use a lot in the warmer months. So we were actually out here on Friday with a few friends, and it's nice just to sit with drinks and some hors d'oeuvres and kind of enjoy the yard.
We got some weeding to do out here.
I know, it's bad.
Get to work.
Yeah. I'm not very good at yard work. I can water the trees, that's about it. Come on, babies. You wanna go outside? Go get them. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the tour.